Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Imanshi, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. So I know that I look very weird. First of all, I tried this new hairstyle and I don't know if it is suiting me or not, because this is really not something that I do usually. So do let me know in the comments if you liked this look. So let's come back to the video. Today I will be starting up a series where I will be reviewing some products, skincare, makeup or hair care, like mix of everything. And today I will be reviewing a skincare product, so keep on watching. So the product that I'm gonna review today is this. This is the D-Tan face pack from The Natural Wash. Summers are here, so tanning and pigmentation, everything is so normal, so this product comes really handy. So I tell you, this brand, The Natural Wash, which is also known as TNW, they has this face pack which is known as D-Tan face pack, and they claims that it is for brightening and glowing skin. So it is infused with kojic acid, orange extract and fuller's earth. Well, it has fuller's earth, but इनके ingredient list में वो सबसे last में है, so it doesn't really matter. So मैं आपको starting से बताती हूँ. When this brand launched, like when this brand came up in the market, initially I had this belief that okay, this is like, ज़्यादा अच्छा brand नहीं, and this brand is just making money or चीज़ें बेच रहे just through influencers and collaborations. That's it. मेरे mind में ये image थी, because all these brands ये influencers के साथ collaborate करते हैं and products promote होते हैं, and similarly happened with this one. So I had this image, but I was wrong until I tried this product. TNW से मैंने थोड़े products use करे हैं, and I can't say about all, but this product, let me tell you. तो जब ब्रांड ने ये प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया था, उसी के आसपास मैंने ये ख़रीदा था, and it's been more than a year now that I've been using this face pack. It's been more than a year, to be honest. मैंने इसकी काफ़ी सारी ट्यूब्स यूज़ करी है, because this is affordable. मार्केट में कुछ D-Tan packs ऐसे हैं जो बहुत ही expensive, and if you want something affordable, so this is the one. इसकी मैं performance की बात करूँ तो it works really really well. ये like मेरे को बिल्कुल भी expectations नहीं थी, but this product really helps in de-tanning your face, और जहाँ भी आप apply करोगे you have tanning, it will reduce that for sure. Obviously एक बार में नहीं होगा, you will have to keep using it regularly, like continuously, and उसके बाद gradually you will see the results. So this product is really a good one for me. Every time I use it, I see results myself, and मैं खुद एक साल से ऊपर से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and this is an amazing product. समर्स में आपको क्ले मास्क चाहिए ही चाहिए होता है. आई डोंट प्रेफर दोज पील्स और ऑल दैट जेल स्टफ. समर्स में आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर क्ले मास्क, एंड दिस इज़ द वन. एंड इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द पैकेजिंग, ऑनेस्टली आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ इट्स पैकेजिंग. अभी ये नया है, इसलिए इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस एंड क्लीन, बट आई टेल यू, वंस यू ओपन दिस लिड, जो प्रोडक्ट है ना वो हर जगह फैल जाता है. And I absolutely hate that about this. I told you इसका texture बहुत ही प्यारा है, and it actually helps in de-tanning. So yeah, I did not lie about the packaging. कैमरे में ठीक से नहीं दिखेगा, but जो product है वो थोड़ा सा lid से बाहर आ चुका है, which I hate honestly. So yeah, this product is no gimmick and it's approved. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.